If you enjoy the infotainment system in your BMW, then you're going to love this. BMW takes smartphone integration to the next level. Not only can your BMW now display app contents from your smartphone in the digital instrument cluster and in the head-up display, but with Android Auto, you can now also access all your favorite apps from your Android smartphone in the BMW operating system 7. Android Auto doesn't need any cable connection between your smartphone and your BMW. Once you've paired your phone with the car for the first time, they can remember each other. As soon as you open the door and get in, Android Auto is already connected and good to go. It really doesn't get any easier than that. And it looks familiar because you have the same app icons on the central information display, just like on your mobile device, but of course everything's bigger using the full extent of the widescreen. What a great overview. The apps work the same too, like navigation with Google Maps. Okay, Google, take me to work. But not without my favourite music playing first, which is also from my smartphone via Android Auto. Okay, Google, play pop music. While driving, of course, you must keep your eyes on the road, and the smartphone integration in your BMW lets you do that perfectly. The display of the main app information from your smartphone in your car now extends to the instruments cluster and even to the head-up display right in front of you. This makes navigation with your preferred map provider much easier and more convenient. And you know the best part, if you already own a BMW with the BMW operating system 7, you can still get Android Auto for it. You simply update your BMW over the air with the remote software upgrade.